In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the outer tail light on your Toyota Highlander. This video is going to include how to get to the connector. Take out this rear tray, remove the cargo net clip, twist, quarter turn to the left, pull out. There's a 10mm bolt under there. Go ahead and remove that. Pull back on this door seal right here and grab the trim piece right here and give it a stiff pull while holding this upper trim piece. And there's two clips up here. Pop those out. There's two clips in the side of the door. The second one's located about here. You want to try not having that come off. It can just fall in and it can make this job much longer and you'll end up taking a lot more pieces off. Once you have the door panel like this, it will be a little tight, but you can get your hand back here and there's going to be a connector for the tail light. To give a better picture, we're going to take these two 10mm bolts off of the tail light. Pull the light straight out, and this on the back side is about where that connector is. I'm going to pull the grommet through for now. That will allow me to wiggle the wire to find which connector that I want to be at. So take your hand, go in, wiggle this wire, and find that connector. On the far side, there's going to be a little push clip. Push that in, and then pull down on the wire on the outside. And that will allow the connector to release. Then you can pull it out. Insert the new connector into the hole. Reach behind and grab it. Put it back in the connector. Push it until you hear a click. And then you're going to want to install your grommet into here. I'm going to put one side in first, and then I'm going to chase it around, pushing it in all the way. It can be a little tough. Once you have it mostly in there, you can pull back on it just a little bit. If you need to, you can also use a little pocket screwdriver. Pull up on the sides until it's fully sealed. Line this outside clip up with the tail light, and then push straight in. Install your two 10mm bolts. Snug those down. Line up all of your clips. Snap them back into place. Reinstall the 10mm bolt on the side. Grab your cargo net hook. And a quarter turn clockwise to lock it back in place. And then reinstall the lid. Same thing, put those hooks in first and drop it down. Close the tailgate, and that's how you install the passenger side tail light.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.